Students, last in the previous lecture we have given this integration x square x by tan x is equal to dx. We have to evaluate this one. So as per the Newton theorem, the integrand is not directly in the form of differentiation. That means we have to take one part as t, and if we differentiate, then the rest part will be replaced, consumed. We have to like that. But let I will take t is equal to tan x. Let's say I took t is equal to tan x. So student dt will be how much? The dt by dx will be how much? X square x, correct? Only dt will be how much, student? X square x dx. So now it will be very easy. The above part 6 square x dx can be replaced by dt, and tan x can be by t. Very easy. And 1 by t ka integration kya hai, students? Now we got the integration like that. 1 by t dt. 1 by x dx. Integration kya hai? Ln x. 1 by t का क्या हो जाएगा? Ln t plus c. Then t is equal to tan x. So I could write ln tan x plus c. This is the required answer. The second question was I is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. Let's take t is equal to, we'll take t is equal to the denominator part. Let's take t is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5. If I'll student find dt by dx, then obviously I will get 2x plus 3. And if I'll get 2x plus 3, then student dt will be equal to 2x plus 3 whole into dx. Right? Then this could be replaced by 2x plus 3 is in the numerator, and dx I could replace it by dt. Integration of starting students. Total is t. Same dt by t is ln t plus c. So in place of t, I could write ln square plus 3x plus 5 plus 6. This is the required solution to this question. Still this one, evaluate I is equal to sin square x into cos q x dx. Directly we can, it is not in the form of direct integration, results we can apply. And let's see, let t is equal to sin x. If t is equal to sin x, then dt is equal to dt by dx, students, equal, right? Dt by dx is equal to cos x. Then do cross multiplication and write dt is equal to cos x dx. Dt is equal to cos x dx. If dt is equal to cos x dx, students, then I is equal to, I can be replaced. I is equal to integration. T is equal to sin x. So sin square x is equal to how much? T square. Correct. I replaced cos. This is cos qx. What can I write to cos qx? Because I can replace only cos x dx. Students, here you see here, this was cos qx dx. Correct. I could write it cos square x into cos x dx, and this cos x dx is will be replaced by dt. Correct. And this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Correct. So then I could write here t square into 1 minus, how much we can write here, cos in place of cos qx, how much you can write? 1 minus sin square x. That means 1 minus t square we could write now, students, because sin x is equal to t na. 1 minus t square I could write, yes or no? 1 minus t square into dt. Understood or not? Then open the bracket. T square minus t to the power 4. Okay. Integration dt. Students, that could also be written as t square dt. T square dt is, t cube by 3 minus t to the 4 is t to the 5 by 5. See. Then 1 by 3 dq is sin qx minus 1 by 5 sine to the power 5x plus c. This is the required answer to the question. Let's give heading by using integration how to calculate the area under a curve. Give heading calculate the area under a curve. Calculate the area under a curve. How to calculate the area under a curve. We know the generalized method, and then we'll go for some applications. Okay. Then we'll see how we're applying that. Okay. Let's we're having a graph. We're having a area like this, having a curve. And this one point is the starting point of the coordinate is x1. And the starting point, ending point is, let's say the coordinate is x2. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. How to find the area under this curve? So for that, student, what we have to do? We have to consider a small strip. Let's take a small strip here. Friends, we have to take a small strip here. Total curve जो है उनमें से हमने एक small strip consider किए और let this length of the strip, this coordinate is y also student. And I considered a small elemental strip. Let that width is dx, right? Length is dx. And student, let it is having at a value. This total distance from here to here is x. This point is x1 and this point is x2. One end is x1. We'll start from x1 to x2. Ends at x2. And that's a small strip I have taken. And what is the area of this small elemental strip? So this height is y, length and breadth is dx. That means the small area dA. Let the small area of the strip is dA. The dA will be student y into dx. Correct? That's right. Area of the elemental strip. Area of the elemental strip. Area of the elemental strip. That is small area, so we have to go for dA. dA is equal to y into dx. Y is the height and dx is the small length. Friends, if you want to find the total area, if we want to find the total area under the curve, we want to find the total area. We want to find the total area under the curve. Total area under the curve. That is, students, y is equal to, let the curve equation is y is equal to f of x, and x varies from x1 to x2. And x varies from x1 to x2. Correct. So if I want to find a, so what I have to do to find a, I have to integrate d. हर छोटा छोटा स्ट्रिप कैसे ये एरिया वेरी करते जा रहा है x1 to x2, वो हमें निकालना होगा. I have to integrate all the small areas, dA like that I have to find, and then I have to integrate them. And that is equal to how much, students? It is a function y. Yes, no, y into dx. That dA is equal to, we have got y into dx, and that is varying from x1 to x2. Correct? So student, if I want to find the area, then finally I could write like this: area is equal to integration of f of x. Y is equal to f of x, whatever the function may be given, and that is x1 to x2. This fx is the equation of the curve. हमें जिस area की जिस curve की equation निकालना होगा, how it is dependent on x or y, it will be given in that equation, and the limit will be given. By applying that, we'll see how we are going to. Let's do a question so that we could understand how to find that. We'll take a small example to understand how to find the area under the curve. Then it will be better understood. Let's take example लेते हैं हम. Find the area between curve. एक curve का equation दिया रहेगा. Find the area between the curve. Find the area between the curve. That is y is equal to x square plus 7x plus 3 and x-axis from x-axis vary करता है x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2, correct? Area under the curve, what you know, y is equal to adx, that is area is equal to integration y dot dx. So that is x is varying from 0 to 2 students. So lower limit you can take 0 and higher limit you can take 2. So y is how much students? X square plus 7x plus 3 into dx. Okay, 0 to 2. People find out the integration student. X square का integration क्या है? X cube by 3. The integration of x square is how much? Here I could write it is x cube by 3. Limit will be from 0 to 2 plus 7x का क्या होगा स्टूडेंट? 7x square by 2 from 0 to 2 plus 3x. 3dx का 3x, that is from 0 to 2. Everywhere we'll put the limits, higher limit minus lower limit, then we'll go for the solution. Let's go students. If this is 3 students, 3 came out, x क्यू, x की जगह पे एक बार पे 2 डालेंगे तो 2x क्यू मतलब 2 क्यू मतलब क्या है? 8 हो गया 1/3 plus 8 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर कितना है? 7/2 को बाहर ले आते हैं, ओनली जो एक्स स्क्वायर है, मतलब एक्स स्क्वायर मतलब क्या लेंगे हम? 2 to the power 2 का स्क्वायर मतलब 4 ले लेंगे प्लस 3 एक्स स्क्वायर मतलब 3x है, सिर्फ x की जगह में क्या डालेंगे? 2 डालेंगे। तो अभी इस इक्वेशन को अगर मैं थोड़ा इस तरफ लिख लूं, एरिया विल बी स्टूडेंट्स फाइनली यू सी एरिया इज इक्वल टू 8/3 करेक्ट plus 7/2 into 4, that is how much? 7 into 4 20, 28/2, that is 14 plus 6. अगर पूरा इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 14 3 जे कितना?
तो ऑर्डर देखो जाओ।
1 minute 68/3. Next student, see another very simple question. Let's do that. It is given like that. Do it. That there is a curve like this, and there is a curve made like this. And he wants to know, he wants to find that this is 0 and this is 2. No, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. We want to find this area. And the question is given, find the area enclosed by ये जो कर्व है, इसका इक्वेशन उसने दी रखी है कि y is equal to x square. And from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. From x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Students, आपको क्या निकालना होगा? Find the area. Simply you can do it. Area क्या है? Y dx. Yes or no? Function. Area is equal to integration of f of x dx. f of x मतलब y dx जैसा हम अभी निकाले. और इंटीग्रेशन का लिमिट क्या है? 0 to 2. And how y varies student? X square dx ना? X square dx. Very simple. So 0 to 2. And x square का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? x cube by 3. Correct? x cube by 3. Yes or no? So that is 0 to 2. तो 1/3 को बाहर ले आएंगे तो कितना होगा? 2 to the power q minus 0 to the power q. 0 to the power q is 0. So that is 8/3 units. Understood? Friends, let's know how to find area under different geometric shapes. Let's know how to find area under different geometric shapes. Take one and two example. Right, area under different geometric shapes. Area under different geometric shapes. Area under different geometric shapes. Let's find the area of a rectangle. Let's know area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Let's students take one rectangle. Let's take here one rectangle, and this is x-axis, and this is y-axis, and this is the rectangle. Let's let this is length. and this is breadth. This is length and this is breadth. Okay. I should I have to find this area. So for that, what we have to do? Let's y say x दूरी पर. We're considering a small strip. I will take a small elemental strip. जिस strip का students width कितना है dx. Strip of the width of the strip is dx. और ये y axis से x की दूरी पर है. Correct? So ये area of the small elemental strip, students. If I want to find the area, right? Area of the small elemental strip. Area of the small elemental strip. What do you know, students? BA is equal to, ये लेंथ वेरी करते जा रहा है बट ब्रेड्थ तो फिक्स है ना, हम B ले लिए ना, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? B इंटू dx लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज dx विल वेरी. dx कहां से कहां तक वेरी करेगा स्टूडेंट्स? अगर यहाँ पर चले जाएंगे तो x 0 है, अगर यहाँ पर पहुंच जाएंगे तो x कितना है? L है. आई हैव रिटन हियर L, लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. So if I want to find the area, total area, if I want to find the total area, then what I have to do? I have to find the area that is equal to dA, that is equal to v dot dx, and that is 0 to L. Correct? So that is equal to, students, v integration dx, that is equal to b integration of dx to 0 to L. Integration of dx, how much, students? X. Correct? And that is 0 to L. So that is equal to b into L. Correct? That is the answer. Area of the rectangle is length to breadth. Let's next find. Let's find the area of a circle using integration. Let's see how to find the area of a circle. To find the area of a circle. Area of a circle using integration. Area of a circle using integration. Friends, area of a circle using integration. Let's take a circle whose radius, let's take r. Radius is r. So what we are usually doing, we are considering a small elemental strip. Let's consider a small elemental strip. That means I caught a small strip like this. Out of the circle, I caught a small elemental strip. That is that what I am hatching. That is the small elemental strip. On the small elemental strip, let the radius is x and this width is dx. Friends, area of the elemental strip will be how much? Area of the elemental strip. Area of the elemental strip. Area of the elemental strip. That is dA is equal to how much, students? We have to find. Let's see. This part I will cut and I will open it. Students, see. When I will cut it, it will be like this, na? If you cut it, it will be like this. पूरा मैंने cut कर दिया, उसको unfold कर दिया. जब मैं unfold कर दिया तो उसकी width कितना हो गया, students? dx, no doubt width is dx. And ये जो total distance होगा, ये जो total length होगा, length of the curve कितना होगा? That is perimeter of this small circle. और इस सर्कल का रेडियस कितना है? x है. So this length will be how much, students? 2 pi x. Length of the strip is 2 pi x. मैंने ये जो strip को consider किया था उसको मैंने cut किया, open करके ले आया और उसको इस तरह मैंने इस तरह की strip मुझे मिलेगा. And I cut the strip. Let's do it like this and then मैंने इसको cut करके ऐसे unfold कर दिया मैंने इसको. So that is dx. Understood? So that is 2 pi x into dx. Yes or no? So I got it. This is the small area. So the small area I can write, that is 2 pi x into dx. I can write it. Actually, area of the circle कितना है? Area of circle. Area of the circle. You know how much? A is equal to how much? dA. So it is A is equal to integration of dA. And students, you know dA is equal to how much? 2 pi x into dx. And the dx varies from 0 to r. जब सेंटर से शुरू करेंगे तो 0, जब यहाँ पर पहुंच जाएंगे तो मैक्सिमम x का वैल्यू वेरी करके कितना हो सकता है, r हो सकता है। सो पूरा अगर हम बाहर ले आएंगे तो 2 पाई बाहर आ गया, x का कितना है x स्क्वायर बाय 2, so that is 0 to r, and in place of 2 pi by 2, 2 pi बाहर आ गया, 2 कैंसिल, x स्क्वायर की जगह पे क्या डालेंगे r स्क्वायर डालेंगे, 2 2 कैंसिल, so what is the area of a circle, pi r square, this is the area of a circle, this is the area of a circle. In your maths you will find the area of everything by using this integration method. Let's solve few questions. Find the value of the following integrals. One question I am giving. Integration of dt by t, limit दे दिया मैंने 2 to 4. Another question, take cos 3x dx 0 to pi by 4 limit. Another question, take to the power x minus 1 by x square whole into dx 0 to 2. Another question you take 2x plus 3 to the power 4 dx is 0 to 1. Let's take this trends. Let's do these questions one by one. dt by t. What is the integration of dt by t, students? 1 by t. 1 by t का integration क्या है? ln t ना? ln t, and limit will be from 2 to 4. That is equal to ln 4 minus ln 2. So that is equal to ln a minus b is ln a by b. So that is ln 4 by 2. That is ln 2. This is the answer. Next, this one, students, see cos 3x dx. What is the integration for cos 3x, students? Not sin 3x. 3x will be taken as t, not in the direct differentiation formula. So cos 3x means sin 3x by 3. Integration of cos 3x is sin 3x whole divided by 3. Okay, and from angle is 0 to pi by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 3 sin 3 pi by 4 sin 3 pi by 4 minus sin 0. So that is equal to sin 3 pi by 4 is how much? 1 by 3 बाहर रहा, 1 by root 2. 1 by 3 into 1 by root 2. So that is 1 by 3 root 2 is the answer. Next here, students, see e to the power x. प्लस है तो प्लस है मतलब भी तो अलग है ना, e to the power x dx 0 to 2 minus integration of 1 by x square dx 0 to 2. So e to the power x का क्या है, e to the power x, correct, 0 to 2 minus of minus 1 by x square, 1 by x तो minus 1 by x to the power 1 to 2. लिमिट कितना है, 1 to 2 है शायद, 0 to 1 to 2 ले लो, 0 to 2 पर जगह पे ले रहे हैं, 1 to take 1 to 2, 1 to 2 you take 1 to 2 and minus 1 by x 1 to 2. You will put this one, then it will be how much, e to the power 2 minus e to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to e to the power square minus e minus half. That is the solution. This question, I'll go for this question. Is 2x by 3 to the power 4, students.
Sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let's here 2x plus 3 to the power 4 is not in the form of direct differentiation, direct integration. So let's it substituted by t. If t is equal to x plus 3, then dt by dx is equal to 2. dt by dx is equal to, the dt is equal to how much? 2 dx.
Yes, sir.
So if dt is equal to this, but we want to replace this dx. So by replacing this t, I got t to the 4 dx. But t to the 4 dx, how to? T here dx. So this dx has to be replaced. So if I replace dx, so dx is equal to how much? dt by 2. So in place of dx, I wrote dt by 2 and take 1 by 2 outside. Integration t to the 4 dt, how much? Half into t to the 5 by 5, yes or no? That is t to the 5 by 10, na? And then in place of t to the 5, how much I will put? 2x plus 3 to the power 5 by 10. Understood? So the integration of this will be, students, how much? 2x plus 3 to the power 5 divided by 10. And the limit will take 0 to 1. And you take 1 by 10 outside. 1 by 10 हमने outside ले लिए. और x की जगह पे अगर 1 डालेंगे तो 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 5 to the power 5 minus, फिर x की जगह पे क्या डालेंगे? 0 डालेंगे. 0 0 हो गया तो 3 to the power 5. Solve this one. 5 to the power 5 minus 3 to the 5 by 10. We got it about 2882 by 10 is the required answer to the question.